Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners KTM RC 390. The world of sport motorcycling is a thrilling realm filled with speed, agility, and the promise of endless adventures. For beginners who are captivated by the allure of sport bikes, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The KTM RC 390, celebrated for its accessible power, sporty performance, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as the ultimate sport motorcycle for those starting their journey into this exhilarating world. With its potent performance, aggressive design, and rider-focused attributes, the RC 390 offers the perfect platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Potent performance and accessible power. At the heart of the KTM RC 390 lies a powerful 373cc single-cylinder engine that offers a thrilling balance between power and approachability. This engine delivers spirited performance, allowing riders to experience the exhilaration of sport riding while ensuring a manageable learning curve for beginners. Aggressive design and aesthetic appeal. The RC 390 boasts an aggressive design that mirrors its larger sport bike counterparts. Its sharp lines, sporty fairings, and distinctive styling elements embody the essence of sport bike excellence, appealing to riders seeking a dynamic and visually striking motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also revel in the RC 390's sporty aura. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the RC 390 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a well-balanced riding position that ensures comfort during both spirited rides and extended journeys. The clip-on handlebars, well-contoured seat, and accommodating foot peg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The KTM RC 390 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis, sharp steering, and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate twisty roads, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the RC 390 often comes equipped with features like a standard Bosch ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and spirited rides. The RC 390's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between daily urban commutes and spirited escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the KTM brand and the RC series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the RC 390 sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The KTM RC 390 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The RC 390 offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The KTM RC 390 exemplifies KTM's commitment to providing the ultimate sport motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, aggressive design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the RC 390 offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a KTM RC 390 as their first sport motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the excitement of conquering the open road on two wheels.